Hello friends, welcome to Prismatics online class. In our today class, we are going to look at question on the board. We are still on the dimension of physical quantities. Today, look at this question. Find the dimension of the following. A. Surface tension. B. Coefficient of what? Viscosity. C. Moment of inertia. How do we solve that? Let's start. Solution A. Before we talk of surface tension, surface tension means force per unit length. Force per what? Length. Then if it is force per unit length, which is, let's just say that surface tension S is equal to what? Force is what? MA all over what? L. Now, which is the same thing as a M into what? Dimension of acceleration, which is what? L over what? T square. Lose it all over what? L. Now, what do we have? Surface tension is equal to M L over L, okay, T minus 2 all over what? L. Now, when we have this L will cancel this L, and we have that our surface tension is equal to what? ML, okay, ML power 0 T what? Minus what? 2. Now, finally, our surface tension is equal to M raised to power 1, L raised to power 0, and T raised to power minus 2. And that is what our dimension of surface tension, which can be written as M what? T minus 2. So anyone, either you choose this one or you choose this one, and that is our answer. Okay, let's look at solution B. Solution B, we have coefficient of what? Coefficient of viscosity. Which is defined as what? We talk of what? Force over what? Area multiplied by what? Velocity gradient. Now, force, we know that force is what? MA all over what? Area is L raised to power 2 multiplied by 1. Velocity gradient is defined as what? 1 over T. Now, which this is the same thing as saying MA all over what? L power 2 T power minus 1. And this is the same thing, our M into what? L T raised to power minus 2, which is what? Which is the acceleration all over what? L raised to power 2 T raised to power minus 1. Now, what do we do? In this place, we need to solve and evaluate the denominator, which is now that this C, which is the coefficient of this, is equal to M L T minus 2 multiplied by L. This one will come up, which is what? Minus 2 multiplied by T, and will come up and turn to 1. By a lot of indices, you operate on this. This is the same thing as M times L raised to power minus 2 times T raised to power minus 2 times t raised to power 1. By law of indices, this is like power 1, which we have this in as m raised to power. This to this will give us l minus 1. This to this now will give us what? T minus 1. So our coefficient of viscosity is equal to, the dimension of it is equal to what? M L raised to power minus 1 T raised to power minus 1, and that is the answer. So that is how to solve it. So finally, this is our answer, which is, hence you can see that coefficient of viscosity is equal to this. Okay, finally let's look at moment of what? Inertia. When you talk of moment of inertia, which is solution C, we talk of what? Moment of inertia. Moment of inertia is defined as what? Mass multiplied by what? Square of the distance. Square of the what? Distance. Which is the same thing as say md square. M is the mass into d square is L square. Close it. Finally, what do we have? We have that the dimension is ML what? 2, which is the dimension of what? This. And this is the same thing as say ML 2 T raised to power 0. And that is our dimension. Dimension of what? Inertia. A moment of what? Inertia. That is our dimension of moment of what? Inertia. Thanks and God bless you. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Prismatics Online Class. Bye.